What's up, MCA? I'm Aslan Hollenbach. I'm here with Joey and Matt, and we're back with this month's life skill. This month, we're going to be learning how to wash our clothes, right, Joey?
Yes,
So why is it important that we wash our clothes?
so we do not have germs.
Good. And are you going to show Matt how we wash our clothes today?
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
Number 1, get the laundry basket. 2, go to the laundry room.
Which we're already here.
Sort clothes into like piles.
So sort from like colors and lights.
Okay, we're good.
Okay.
Open the washer door. Add detergent. Add a fabric softener. Add clothes to the washer. Close the washer door. Set dials. Press start. Great job, you just loaded the washer.
And what happens if we don't wash our clothes?
They stink.
When should we wash our clothes that we wear?
Every day.
And what do germs cause?
Sickness.
Good. That's how easy it is to wash your clothes. You put them in the washer and put some laundry detergent in and wait for the cycle to end and then put them in the dryer, which we'll show you guys next month. Thank you, Joey, for showing Matt and I how to wash our clothes.
You're welcome.
Do you have anything else to say?
Wash your clothes every single day from the Crocker clan.